Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Border City. Today we're checking out a tour of a pre-owned GMC Sierra 1500 SLT GFX Package. It's white diamond, metallic and exterior color, and powered by a V8 engine. That's paired to a four-wheel drive system and just 137,000 kilometers on the odometer. The exterior features HID projection headlamps, LED daytime running lights, a tri-bar chrome grille, a chrome front bumper with front park sensors, a chrome rear bumper with rear park sensors, black wrap tow recovery hooks, and a trailer tow package. At the side we have polished alloy wheels. On the hood and body side we have GFX decals. We have ground effects decal on the upper part of the windshield. We have an overhead sunroof, privacy tinted rear windows, chrome door handles, chrome mirror caps, and chrome bumpers. At the rear we have a manual locking tailgate, trailer towing connection with 7 and 4-pin electrical, and a step-style rear bumper. It offers memory seating, power windows, power locks, and power folding mirrors, a carbon fiber accent, a Bose sound system, rubber floor mats, an integrated trailer brake controller, electronic shifting four-wheel drive with auto function, auto headlamps, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The steering wheel offers cruise control, voice-activated controls, and trackpad for the menu zone. We have a column shift lever, a flow-through center console for comfort and storage, heated and cooled leather seating for 5. The heated and cooled features in the front seats only. We have GFX unique seats, power driver and passenger seat. In the running position, we have a productivity screen, the digital information center, the odometer reading, the heated and cooled seat controls located by the media zone. We have factory navigation, backup camera, and Bluetooth phone, as well as Onstar capabilities. We have dual climate controls for the driver and passenger, standard air conditioning, and rear window defrost. We have power adjustable brake pedals, a traction control switch, park sensors, lane drift assist warning, hill descent cruise control, and locking glove box for additional secure storage. We have a second row 60/40 split bench seat, almost flat storage floor, a 12-volt power supply, and storage and seat pockets at the driver and passenger seat. We have power windows and lots of door storage and door speakers. If you have any additional questions about this model, please don't hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. Look forward to answering any questions you may have, and we thank you for shopping online with us here at Boundary Ford.